Hello students, welcome to Sort of Source classes. In this video I will be solving selective questions from IIT JAM 2013 stat paper for you. We will be given more of the solutions in the next video, and stay tuned and keep checking our channels for those. Let's start with question number 4. In question number 4 we are given that f to r square be defined by function of x and y is equals to sine 2x square plus y square by x square plus y square e to the power 3x sine of 4 by y. This is for x and y not equals to 0 and 0 and alpha otherwise. Now we can say that x and y tends to 0 0 if x square plus y square tends to 0. So 2 sine 2x square plus y square by 2 into x square plus y square tends to 2, and e to the power 3x sine 4 by y tends to 1. This means alpha is equals to 2. So the correct option is option B. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 5. Let me add a page. In question number 5, we have that A be a 3 into 3 real matrix with eigenvalues 1 to 3, and let B is equal to A inverse plus A square. So we can say that A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and B is equals to A inverse plus A square. B is equals to 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 plus 1, 4, 9. So we can say that B is equals to 1 plus half plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9. This gives us 15 plus 5 by 6 is equals to 95 by 6. So the correct option is option B. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hope this helped you solving your queries. For more videos you can keep checking our channels and stay tuned. You will be provided more of the solutions of IIT JAM stat papers there. Hope that those will be helpful for you. Thank you again for watching the video.